Unlock a world of affordable goods on Dhgate. Secure your purchases with the trusted simplicity of PayPal. First, find that amazing item you've been looking for on Dhgate. Once you've found it, simply tap the Add to Cart button to begin your journey. After adding items to your cart, proceed to checkout. You'll be prompted to confirm your shipping details. Make sure everything is accurate. Now for the crucial part, payment. Look for the payment options and select PayPal if you haven't already. You'll be guided to link your PayPal account. This is where you'll log into your existing PayPal account or create a new one. If you don't have one, it's a quick and secure process. Once your PayPal account is linked, you'll see a summary of your Dhgate order and the total amount. Simply confirm the payment by clicking the Pay Now or equivalent button. And just like that, your Dhgate purchase is complete using PayPal. You'll receive a confirmation from both Dhgate and PayPal. Remember, PayPal offers robust beer protection, adding an extra layer of security to your online shopping experience on Dhgate. Happy shopping!